Good evening, everyone. My lesson for this webinar is on teaching on figures of speech. So it's very important to distinguish between parts of speech and figures of speech because learners can confuse the both of them. So the figures of speech that we are going to focus on today is the simile, the metaphor, the onomatopoeia, and personification. So because of time, we are going to ask a few people just to maybe comment in the chat on what you think these figures of speech mean. But we can go on to the next slide, Steve. So we have, whilst you are figuring that out, we have a text that has the many figures of speech in the text. So we would like you to read through the text and identify and explain the figure of speech. So teaching figures of speech contextually is very, very important. It's more than just knowing the definition of a figure of speech. And then lastly, it's important that we do follow-up lessons, so you can use this text to teach parts of speech as well. And then you can also flip the lesson in that you can give them this text and then read it through with them. And then when you come across a figure of speech, you ask them, what does this, what do these words say? What do they mean? For example, if this is not in the text, but if we say it's raining cats and dogs, we actually mean it's raining heavily. So you can flip the lesson and teach it from the context of the actual text that we have. And then, of course, the follow-up lessons with asking questions on the text with regards to parts of speech as well. I just hope that I got through the absolute gist of this, which is the difference between figures of speech and parts of speech, and it's important to teach it contextually, and that figures of speech go beyond just being definitions. Thank you.